Top 3 Best Rice You Must Eat to Flush Out Toxins and Repair Kidney Fast. After 50, the kidneys do not complain loudly. They whisper, a little swelling in the feet, a bit more fatigue than usual, maybe frequent nighttime urination. Many people ignore these small signs, thinking they are just part of aging. But what if something as simple as the rice on your plate could either support your kidneys or quietly burden them? The truth is, not all rice affects the body the same way. Choosing the right type can help reduce strain, support gentle detox, and give your kidneys the calm support they deserve. If caring for your kidneys matters to you or someone you love, subscribe to this channel and stay connected. Like this video so more seniors can learn these simple food truths. And in the comments, tell me your age and which rice you eat most often. Let's support each other. White rice is often misunderstood, especially among seniors who are told to avoid white foods. But for people over 50, especially those concerned about kidney strain, properly portioned white rice can actually be gentle and supportive. Unlike many whole grains, white rice is lower in potassium and phosphorus, two minerals that weaken the kidneys and struggle to filter efficiently. For individuals dealing with reduced kidney function, managing these minerals becomes essential to prevent dangerous buildup in the blood. Another reason white rice can be helpful is its low fiber content. While fiber is generally beneficial, high-fiber foods can sometimes irritate digestion in older adults with sensitive stomachs or reduced gut motility. White rice is easy to digest, light on the stomach, and unlikely to cause bloating or digestive stress. This matters because when digestion is calm, the body directs less inflammatory stress toward the kidneys. White rice is also naturally low in sodium when prepared without added salt. Since excess sodium increases blood pressure, one of the leading causes of kidney damage, keeping meals simple and low in added salt supports long-term kidney protection. For seniors with hypertension, choosing plain, well-cooked white rice instead of heavily seasoned processed grains is often the safer choice. Additionally, white rice provides clean, easily absorbed carbohydrates that supply energy without overwhelming the body. After 50, energy levels drop more quickly, and fatigue can strain the entire system. Stable energy supports circulation, and healthy circulation ensures that blood flows smoothly through the kidneys for proper filtration. However, the key lies in portion control. Overeating white rice can spike blood sugar, especially in seniors with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, another major contributor to kidney decline. When paired with lean protein and vegetables, moderate portions of white rice can become a kidney-friendly base rather than a burden. White rice also has very low oxalate levels compared to many other grains. Oxalates can contribute to kidney stone formation in sensitive individuals. For seniors prone to stones, choosing low-oxalate foods becomes extremely important. In that sense, white rice is often considered one of the safest grain options. Emotionally, white rice also carries comfort. It is soft, familiar, and gentle, often easier to chew for seniors with dental issues. Eating should not feel like a struggle. Meals that are easy to chew and digest encourage proper nutrition, which in turn helps the kidneys function steadily. When cooked thoroughly and consumed in balanced portions, white rice can reduce digestive strain, lower mineral overload, and provide clean energy. It does not aggressively flush toxins like a medicine, but it supports the body's natural detox system by not adding extra stress. Sometimes, protecting the kidneys is less about dramatic superfoods and more about choosing foods that are calm, simple, and steady. For seniors over 50, especially those with early-stage kidney concerns, plain white rice can be a safe foundation in meals, as long as it replaces processed grains and is not overloaded with salt, butter, or heavy sauces. White rice should be steamed or boiled without excessive salt. Pairing it with kidney-friendly vegetables like cabbage, bell peppers, or carrots can further support mineral balance. The gentleness of white rice allows the kidneys to work without being overburdened by excessive phosphorus or potassium, which is why many renal diet plans include controlled portions of white rice. In summary, white rice, when eaten wisely, can help reduce mineral stress, support easier digestion, provide steady energy, and lower kidney workload. For aging kidneys that need calm nourishment rather than complexity, white rice can be a supportive and practical choice. Basmati rice stands out as one of the most kidney-supportive rice options for people over 50. Its long grains, delicate aroma, and lighter texture are not just culinary advantages, they also reflect its unique nutritional profile. Compared to many other rice varieties, Basmati rice has a lower glycemic index, meaning it raises blood sugar more slowly and steadily. This is especially important for seniors after 50, blood sugar control becomes more fragile. Elevated blood sugar damages the small blood vessels in the kidneys over time, leading to diabetic kidney disease, one of the most common causes of kidney failure worldwide. By choosing basmati rice instead of higher glycemic grains, seniors can reduce sudden sugar spikes and protect kidney filtration units from long-term strain. Basmati rice is also naturally lower in arsenic compared to some other rice types, particularly when sourced carefully and rinsed properly before cooking. Long-term arsenic exposure can burden detox pathways, including the kidneys. Washing basmati rice thoroughly and cooking it in extra water, then draining, can further reduce unwanted residues. Another major benefit is its relatively moderate potassium and phosphorus levels. For individuals with declining kidney efficiency, mineral management becomes critical. Excess phosphorus, in particular, can weaken bones and strain cardiovascular health when kidneys cannot filter properly. Basmati rice offers a safer balance compared to many processed grains or bran-heavy varieties. Its fluffy texture also helps with portion control. Because the grains remain separate and light, it often feels satisfying without needing a large serving. Portion awareness is key for seniors managing weight, blood sugar, and kidney health simultaneously. Basmati rice digests comfortably for most older adults. It rarely causes heaviness or prolonged fullness that might stress digestion. When digestion works smoothly, toxins are eliminated more efficiently through natural bowel movements, reducing overall systemic stress. Another quiet benefit of basmati rice is its compatibility with kidney-friendly herbs and spices. When prepared with turmeric, cumin, or a small amount of olive oil instead of heavy sauces, it becomes part of a supportive anti-inflammatory meal. Chronic inflammation accelerates kidney aging. Foods that are gentle and not inflammatory help slow this process. Emotionally, basmati rice often brings warmth and familiarity to many households. Food that feels comforting encourages consistent healthy eating habits. When seniors enjoy their meals, they are less likely to skip meals or turn to processed alternatives high in sodium. Importantly, basmati rice should still be eaten in moderate quantities. Even with its lower glycemic index, excessive portions can raise blood sugar levels. Balanced meals remain essential. In many kidney-supportive meal plans, basmati rice is recommended because it offers stability, stable blood sugar, stable digestion, and stable mineral content. It does not overload the kidneys with excess nutrients that must be filtered aggressively. When cooked properly, rinsed thoroughly, soaked briefly, and boiled, basmati rice becomes light, clean, and easy to metabolize. It allows the kidneys to perform their detox role without facing unnecessary dietary stress. For seniors over 50 who want a rice option that supports blood sugar control, reduces inflammatory stress, and maintains mineral balance, basmati rice stands as one of the safest and most reliable choices. Jasmine rice is soft, fragrant, and slightly sticky when cooked. While it has a higher glycemic index than basmati rice, it can still be kidney-friendly when eaten in careful portions and prepared correctly. For seniors over 50, the question is not whether jasmine rice is good or bad, but whether it is used wisely. Jasmine rice is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it generally suitable for people monitoring kidney mineral intake. This is one of its strongest advantages, since impaired kidneys struggle to excrete excess minerals. Choosing foods that do not overload these nutrients reduces internal stress. Its soft texture is especially helpful for older adults who have chewing difficulties or dental sensitivity. Proper chewing supports digestion, and good digestion ensures nutrients are absorbed efficiently without burdening the body. When food is easy to chew and swallow, seniors are more likely to eat adequate calories, preventing malnutrition, a hidden risk in kidney disease. However, jasmine rice has a higher glycemic impact compared to basmati rice. This means blood sugar may rise more quickly after eating it. For seniors with diabetes or pre-diabetes, portion control becomes absolutely essential. Pairing jasmine rice with fiber-rich vegetables and lean proteins can slow glucose absorption and protect kidney blood vessels. Another benefit is its low fat content and simple composition. It does not contain additives, preservatives, or hidden sodium when prepared plainly. Processed flavored rice mixes often contain excessive salt, which can elevate blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Plain jasmine rice avoids this problem. Jasmine rice also provides easily accessible carbohydrates that supply quick energy. Seniors experiencing fatigue from early kidney dysfunction may benefit from gentle energy sources that do not overwhelm digestion. Rinsing jasmine rice before cooking removes excess surface starch and improves texture. Cooking it without excess salt or heavy sauces keeps it kidney-friendly. When combined with steamed vegetables and light seasoning, jasmine rice can become part of a balanced meal. It is important to acknowledge that jasmine rice should not replace medical treatment or give the impression of repairing kidneys fast. Single food can reverse chronic kidney damage overnight. However, choosing foods that reduce strain gives the kidneys a better environment to function as efficiently as possible. Emotionally, jasmine rice often feels soothing and aromatic, encouraging mindful eating. Slow, mindful eating improves digestion and prevents overeating. Another important factor in kidney protection. For seniors over 50, jasmine rice can be included in a kidney-conscious diet when eaten moderately, balanced properly, and prepared simply. It supports mineral control, gentle digestion, and accessible energy without heavy processing. When compared to heavily processed grains or high-sodium packaged foods, plain jasmine rice is clearly the healthier option. The key lies in balance, preparation, and portion size. In summary, jasmine rice should be used thoughtfully. It is mineral-friendly and digestion-friendly, but requires attention to blood sugar management. When respected and balanced, it can be part of a supportive plan that reduces kidney workload rather than increasing it. Thank you for spending these few minutes here. Growing older does not mean giving up strength or comfort. With the right foods and small daily choices, the body can continue to support you well. This channel is here to share simple, research-based guidance that helps people over 50 stay steady, active, and confident. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and join us again for the next video.